What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at this built-in microwave offered by KitchenAid. This is the KitchenAid low profile built-in microwave. I have this one installed with the slim trim kit. It's also available with a larger trim kit. You'll notice right away features the KitchenAid logo on the front of the microwave. Also on the right side we have the clock, a digital clock, as well as 3 buttons: start, cancel, and open. The start button also adds 30 seconds. We can also lock the microwave by holding the cancel button for 33 seconds and then opening it pressing this button. It features a automatic open, so once you hit the button, it pops the door open here. That's a quick look at the inside. This is a pretty decent size. I've never had any problems with it. I've had this for about a year now. On the right hand side, it features that digital clock as well as some microwave presets like popcorn and defrost. The defrost function, I will say, works very well. On the bottom, you can set the timer, and you also have an option to turn the turntable off there. So instead of inputting the time here and hitting start, I like to just actually hit the start button to whatever desired time I need. I find that to be a lot quicker than actually inputting the time and then closing the microwave. You'll also notice similar microwaves offered by Whirlpool or GE that basically look like the same microwave. They basically are. This one is 1,000 watts at 100%. However, there's just some slight design changes. So specifically on this KitchenAid one, there's a little more stainless steel around the front as well as stainless steel buttons. The Whirlpool one does not have these stainless steel buttons, and then the GE one does not have an automatic door. That's a quick look at the KitchenAid built-in microwave. They also have this microwave with a fan, which you can install over your range. I will leave a link down below to this microwave if you guys are interested. Check that out. Let me know what you guys think, if it's worth it to get the KitchenAid one or the other manufacturers. If you do have any questions, leave them down below. Check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.